Item number 9 is the reason you clicked this video. And trust me, you'll want to see it. Let's start strong. The CyberTrailer, designed by Living Vehicle and inspired by Tesla's Cybertruck, generates up to 5 kilowatts of solar power and extracts 9 gallons of water per day from the air. Its semi-modular interior and onboard battery system can even recharge your EV. This isn't a trailer, it's a survivalist's power station on wheels. And for $175,000, it better be. It doesn't just light up, it speaks. The BMW iVision D's LED matrix grille transforms the front fascia into a digital interface, capable of displaying animated icons, emotional expressions, and even personalized greetings. This concept car, unveiled at CES, blends analog minimalism with digital theatrics, previewing BMW's Neue Klasse platform due in 2025. The grille isn't cosmetic, it's communicative. And while the price remains unreleased, the message is already loud and clear. It doesn't land, it returns. Mounted like a crown atop your SUV, the HEISHA DCAP transforms any vehicle into a mobile drone base, enabling autonomous takeoff, landing and recharging while in the field. With anti-vibration stabilization, remote deployment support, and compatibility with third-party flight software, it's engineered not for hobbyists but for mission-critical surveillance, inspection, and emergency response. This isn't a drone accessory. It's a command post in motion. It costs around $5,000. Shade that powers. GoSun's Shield is a foldable solar car shade that blocks heat while generating up to 60 watts of electricity, enough to charge power banks, USB devices, or even your car battery. Made from ETFE-coated panels, it fits most windshields and doubles as a portable solar array for camping or roadside use. It's not just protection, it's production. And at $189, it's the only sunshade that pays you back. The mirror lies, until you flip the switch. The GENTEX full display mirror streams a live HD feed from a rear-mounted camera onto an embedded LCD, doubling your field of view and cutting through glare, obstructions, and blind spots. With auto-dimming, 1500 nit brightness, and a hybrid toggle between reflection and projection, it's already standard in vehicles from Ferrari to Ford. It's not just a mirror, it's a rearward reality check. And at $999, it's the clearest upgrade you'll never see coming. It sees what you missed, and what you didn't even know to look for. The VIOFO A139 Pro is the world's first dashcam to feature Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, capturing true 4K HDR footage with unmatched night vision and a 300-degree rotatable lens. Available in 1, 2, or 3 channel configurations, it includes dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS logging, voice alerts, and optional hardwiring for parking surveillance. This isn't a camera, it's a silent witness with perfect memory. And at $199. Dinner doesn't care where the road ends. The HitchFire cook station mounts to your vehicle's hitch and swings out into a full kitchen, featuring a 38 by 24-inch prep surface, slide-out sink, and single-burner stove. Built on a cargo platform, it doubles as gear storage and installs without tools, making it a favorite for overlanders, tailgaters, and nomads. It's not a grill, it's a galley on wheels. And at $975, it's the only kitchen that tows behind you. You don't climb in, you pull it out. The CARGOGLIDE extends up to 75% of your truck bed, supporting up to 1,200 pounds on a skid-proof deck with 8 roller bearings and 4-inch side rails. With 12-inch locking increments and multiple tie-downs, it turns your pickup into a sliding workshop. No crawling, no bruised knees. It's not just a tray, it's leverage. And at around $2,000, it's priced like a tool, but works like a limb. The wheels don't turn, the rules do. With a Hyundai MOBIS ECORNER system, each wheel moves independently. It steers, brakes, accelerates, and even pivots 90 degrees, letting the entire car slide sideways into a parking spot or spin in place like a tank. This modular tech fuses steer-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and in-wheel motors into a single unit, redefining what a chassis can do. No axles, no mechanical linkages, just digital choreography. And while no retail price has been announced, the maneuverability it unlocks is already priceless. The car doesn't panic, but it knows when you should. The BOSCH RIDECARE Companion is an AI-powered safety module built for rideshare and fleet vehicles, combining an interior camera, cloud-connected emergency call system, and acoustic sensors that detect distress, aggression, or sudden impact. This isn't surveillance, it's silent backup. And while BOSCH doesn't publish a retail price, enterprise deployments typically start around $500 per unit. The trailer doesn't bounce, it breathes. The Shocker air hitch and drawbar uses an industrial-grade airbag suspension system to absorb road shock, jerks, and vibration between your truck and trailer, turning harsh towing into smooth sailing. It cushions both vertical and forward motion, reducing wear on your frame, cargo, and spine. With adjustable air pressure, it adapts to load weight and terrain in real time. This isn't a hitch, it's a suspension system in disguise. And at around $700 to $1,200, depending on configuration, it's the only drawbar that rides on air. The tire doesn't blow out, it warns you first. Goodyear SIGHTLINE embeds real-time sensors into commercial and EV tires, tracking pressure, temperature, load, and road conditions with predictive analytics that alert drivers before a failure ever happens. This isn't tire pressure monitoring, it's tire intelligence. And while pricing varies by fleet integration, early deployments average around $200 per sensor-equipped tire. The dashboard doesn't upgrade, it evolves. The NANOAI CarPlay AI box plugs into any wired CarPlay port and turns your car into a rolling smart display. Complete with a 1.83-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and a built-in AI assistant that responds to Hey GPT. It doesn't just mirror your phone, it runs Android 13 natively, streams apps, syncs your music, and stays online with Cloud SIM, no hotspot required. This isn't an adapter, it's a co-pilot with memory. And at $219, it's the smartest thing you can plug into your dash,